you guys are not using the correct tools to trade, and let me show you guys what I mean. A lot of you guys use option sweeps, dark pool data, or even politicians and their insider trades and stuff like that. All of those can be useful for sure. However, you only need one tool, which is, and first of all, let me explain to you guys that dark pool data and also political investments, they're not real time. So when you're looking at it, it's after the fact that it's released. A lot of dark pool data, from what I know of, they are released a day late, and it's not in regards to options. And a lot of you guys trade options right now. So if you guys are trading options, you don't know what people trading common shares are trying to do, but you're here trying to focus on it when options have an expiration date. Dark pool, you don't know if they got out, you don't know if they got in. I'm sorry, you know that they got in, but you don't know when they got out. So most important to me is real-time data. The reason option sweeps are so unique and so useful is because it's real-time, and as the market is going, it's releasing the data as the trades are happening. So that's why it's so important and so useful in trading. Let me give you guys an example, and obviously you shouldn't follow all the sweeps. We have callsorputs.com here, and if we go to all activity, we will see that these are all the trades that happen for ARKK. The reason it only shows ARKK is because I put it here into the filter section to only show that, because I am about to explain to you guys this trade that we took in our Discord server and why we took it. So as you can see here, there's an ARKK sweep at 9:52, and this was on the 2nd. So it was here. Just to make it easy for you guys, we'll highlight that with the arrow. So I saw that sweep come in the morning, and I told my Discord server that I'm buying to open the same exact contract on ARKK as you can see here. Buy to open ARKK 61 put 311. First of all, it was a very close expiration date, and it was a decent sized position for a close expiration date. And I said, following golden sweep, A equals C is coming up at 65.74. Watch it yourself as I'm headed out to look homes. As you guys know, I do Airbnbs as well. So I said A equals C correction coming up at 65.74. If you don't know what A equals C means, look up Elliott wave. It's a very, very helpful tool as the market likes symmetry. So I said, following this golden sweep, and let me break it down to you guys. This was 9:57, so I got in a little late. But I basically said that it will touch this level, as you can see here. And why I took it was because there is an open imbalance right here. So as you can see, there was an open imbalance formed right there. It was a rally, base, rally. When imbalances get formed, they usually fill. So at the time of the posting, which was here, that huge red candle, we entered, just to make it so that it's easier for you guys to see, it has not touched that level yet, but then it touches it over here. And from there, we go and we get a bounce of close to 6%. So this goes to show how you apply technical analysis to sweeps. You don't take every trade blindly. And as you can see here, this was the only golden sweep for ARKK. And this is why it's so important to have the correct trading tools, because as you can see, when I click all activity, every single one of these sweeps are shown. So there's 30 lines per page, there's 3 pages. So you have 90 lines of ARKK sweeps coming in, and our algorithm from callsorputs.com picked up that this golden sweep was of significance. So from here, they made a decent amount of money because it ended up coming. So as you can see, their spot price is 67.10, and we're currently trading at 60.23 right here, as you can see. So we played it down here to tag this open imbalance, and it bounced, and then people shorted it again. But this is why sweeps are so important and so useful, because it's real time. For you guys that are trading real time, you need tools that are real time and tools that actually work. So I always tell people, trade with the right tools and with the right team. This is one example why, and I'll continue to show you guys why. But this is callsorputs.com, and our Discord is actually free. If you want alerts, obviously it costs money, but we post a lot of these sweeps on the free section as well. But we ended up closing that trade for only 13%. See, a lot of people look for like crazy 100% trades, but we're super consistent with our plays. As you can see here, we don't have too many losses. Look, 22%, 22%, 11%, minus 15%. As you can see, the losses are smaller than the gains. Anyways, let's go on to our next one. And now for the next one, we got Tesla. So as you guys know, Tesla dropped down here on the 23rd or 24th, and we absolutely rocketed upwards. Here is the sweep that we saw on the Discord where I notified our members. Tesla Golden Sweep produced a nearly $35 move. It obviously continued going up, as you guys saw on the chart, but let me explain how powerful it is when you apply callsorputs.com with the technical analysis behind it. So Tesla, so it obviously went up a lot higher. So instead of this 20%, it continued for a total of a 30% move up, as you can see. And the reason that it tagged this level, this was a prior rally base drop. If you go back in time, this was a prior rally base drop. And that's why it reacted to that level and gave us a humongous move up. That golden sweep came in 224 at 935. So just to put it into perspective, 224, 935. So we'll go on the time, the 5-minute time frame. This is 224 at 935 right here. So to make it easier for you guys, that sweep came in somewhere around here. And after that sweep came in, we went crazy high. This is the power of callsorputs.com. Again, trade with the right tools and trade with the right team. People tend to just look at sweeps with callsorputs.com or flow algo or unusual whales, but they don't know the significance behind it. They don't know how to read a sweep. They don't know a bunch of things on the metrics of a sweep. And as you can see here again, Tesla, this is one golden call that we got on that website. If I was to click the all activity, you will see that there was a bunch of Tesla sweeps. So again, showing 30 for 40 pages, that's over 1,200 lines of Tesla sweeps, but our algorithm picked up Tesla sweeps and just one of them. And that one produced a 30% move on Tesla. So trade with the right tools.